Today we bring you another episode in our series celebrating the remarkable achievements of women in science and the public sphere. Throughout history, women have made invaluable contributions to our understanding of the world, often without the recognition they deserved. Our focus today is on a woman whose contributions to technology were so far ahead of her time that it took the world a century to catch up. A woman who against all odds defied societal expectations and carved out a place for herself in the annals of scientific history. Her name, Ada Lovelace. Stay tuned as we dive into the life of the world's first computer programmer, a woman whose legacy continues to influence the world of technology to this day. Did you know that the first computer programmer was not a man in a mid-20th century lab, but a woman in the 19th century? A woman named Ada Lovelace, whose remarkable intellect and vision led her to make a contribution to the world of computing that still reverberates today. Ada Lovelace was born Augusta Ada Byron on December 10th in the year 1815 in London, England, the only legitimate child of the famous poet Lord Byron and his wife Anne Isabella Milbank. Ada's life was shaped from the very beginning by a mix of literary creativity and scientific curiosity. In 1833, when Ada was just 18 years old, she met Charles Babbage, a mathematician and inventor. This meeting would alter the course of her life and set the stage for her monumental contributions to the world of computing. Babbage was working on a design for a machine he called the analytical engine, an early mechanical general-purpose computer. Ada was fascinated by Babbage's ideas, and despite the societal norms of her time which often discouraged women from engaging in such intellectual pursuits, she began to work with him. In 1843, Ada translated an article about the analytical engine by Italian engineer Luigi Manabria. However, Ada did much more than just translate. She added her own notes, which were 3 times longer than the original article, and included an algorithm intended to be processed by the machine. This algorithm is now recognized as the world's first computer program. Sadly, Ada Lovelace's life was cut short by illness, and she passed away on November 27, 1852, at the young age of 36. But her legacy lived on. Now, to summarize, Ada Lovelace, a woman born to a world of poetry and privilege, found her calling in the realm of mathematics and machinery. She formed an intellectual partnership with Charles Babbage and worked on the analytical engine, an invention that foreshadowed the modern computer. Her translation and enhancement of Luigi Menabria's article about the analytical engine included what is recognized today as the world's first computer program, marking her as the world's first computer programmer. Despite her early death, Ada left a lasting legacy in the world of computing, a legacy that we still benefit from today. Ada Lovelace, a woman of intellect, vision, and remarkable foresight, whose contributions helped shape the future of technology.